What's going on YouTube? So this is Mercer Millions coming at you again with another trading video. Today I want to go over crypto and I want to go over how I've been making money from crypto and the tools that I use and the tools that you can get access to use. But before you do anything, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I just recently hit 500 subscribers. So I feel like on my videos, just for engagement, I feel like I should get at least 20 likes. So go ahead and smash that like section or that like button, and then we'll go ahead and get into it. So
every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
these are some crazy charts looking at some things, but I'm going to get into crypto. I want to show you guys some tools that I use in my academy. This is DCharmonix. This is a tool that I pay for to get access to. I don't mind paying for these tools because yes, I do know how to trade, but the tools expedite everything for me. It makes it easier. It makes it to where I can just look at a chart, take the signals, and make money. I am a part of I Am Academy, and this is one of the tools for the cryptocurrency section. So if this is something that you may be interested in, make sure you email me or DM me on Instagram and I can give you more info, or I can go ahead and just get you set up for a package so you got these tools too. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So for the people who have never traded before, this is what's called a harmonic pattern. So these patterns happen in the market literally every single day. It's all made up through calculations and an algorithm, so you don't have to worry about it. Just know when they pop up in the market, you can make money. So we found a program. When I found a program, the company that I work with created the program to recognize the patterns, and you see what happens when the patterns follow through. So this is a sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down to you and make it nice and easy for you to understand. So with this program, what it does is it gives you entry points, it gives you stop losses, and it gives you take profits. Now, for the people who don't know anything about trading or Forex or currencies or anything, a stop loss prevents you from losing your money. So if I put my stop loss right here, and then I enter the market right here, this protects me from losing all my money. So if the market decides to go the other way, if the market decides to skyrocket, then I actually don't lose what I don't lose what I don't risk, basically. So this zone up here is a stop loss area. So it's going to protect you. Now, the beautiful part about this is you also have take profit areas. So the take profit areas are down here. So all of this, these are the entries, but all of this blue is what's called take profit. And the take profit zones, once the market touches that area, you actually get the money. You keep the money for yourself. So it's a beautiful thing because it shows you how to do it with crypto. And as you know, crypto is going crazy right now. So this is the new age of money. And I feel like people need to dive more into crypto and get a better understanding of it so we can all make money. So there's two ways to actually make money from crypto. So one way is to buy it and hold. You hold on to it and it appreciates in value. So that's one way. But another way is you can trade it. You can trade it in the foreign exchange market. You can actually make money off of it going up and down every single day. So this is another example of the scanner, and it recognized the pattern in the market, which is here. It gave us an entry point right here, and it gave us take profit areas. Now you see this big gap right here. This big gap basically said price skyrocketed so high that it doesn't even have a bar. It literally went from here to here. It was that many buyers in the market to where the numbers don't even connect no more. It jumped. So we actually found that right here in the market. So this is your entry point, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So you would have been able to make profits 3 different times on this one trade. And your stop loss is down here. So this is your reward area, and this is your risk area. So for those who are wondering how the tools work, this is exactly how it works. It's very simple. We can literally copy and paste the profits. It's showing us where to get in the market, where to get out of the market, and how to make money. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Every scan does not hit, but we have a full academy that shows you what are going to be the best scans, because this is not a human being working. This is literally an algorithm chart, and it shows us basically the patterns, and it gives us estimates of stop losses, profits, and all that good stuff. But we still need to use our own intuition and our own skill set to read it. So I'm actually going to try to just find one that actually hits stop loss so you guys can see, and let you guys know this is a real program, and it doesn't always hit, but it does have an 80+% success rate. And also with the skill sets of the academy, we will show you what are the best scans to get into. So as you can see, if you would have got in the trade right here and it went straight up, it would have stopped us off right here, but you wouldn't have lost a lot of money, because at the end of the day, risk to reward ratio is where it's at. So the ratio here is great in our favor because we put ourselves at a very small risk to make a very great profit. So I'm actually going to go ahead and box this up so you can actually see it, because I'm a visual person. So, you know, I actually like to look at stuff with color. So this section right here was your stop loss area, this little window. That's where you would have lost the money if you hit stop loss, which you did. But it's giving us the opportunity to make all of this money. So this is your risk to reward. You're risking a little bit to make a lot. So this risk to reward is probably like 4 to 1. So what that means, I'm gonna tell you what that means is you could lose 4 trades and win 1 and break even. That's the beauty behind this. So let's just say you're a terrible trader. You had a terrible week and you lost 4 trades in a row. Your next trade is gonna make all the money that you lost back. And once again, this is a beautiful part about trading with a team. This is a beautiful part about trading with tools to help you. This is the incredible part about having instructors to help you as well. So a lot of people have been asking me about how I've been making money from crypto. So this is one of the major ways. I know how to read the market and take trades myself, but I still use the tools. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys. I just want to give you a sneak peek inside our scanner. Actually, I'm sorry, let me rewind this. I'm going to show you another way to actually read the markets. So this is another scanner called Swipe Coin, and this is just another way to read the market, and it's very simple. We're in an uptrending market. If you don't know what an uptrend is, it's basically higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, and higher lows. And it's obvious, even if you don't know about trading, you can see this is an obvious uptrend, right? So with this uptrend, we're looking for buy signals. Now, did we get a sell signal here? And did the market go down a little bit? Absolutely. But guess what? We're not even looking at the sell signals because this is an uptrend. We want to trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. If you're a new trader, just know that you will make money if you trade with the trend, even if you know nothing else about trading. So if we were watching this, let's go ahead and simulate this. So let's just say the market is here, right? And time is going by and we're watching the market. We know we're in an uptrend. So we want to look for the buy sign. So right here, we got a sell sign. But since we're in a downtrend, what do we do with that? We ignore it. We ignore it because we don't care. We don't care about sell. We're not looking for sales. We want to trade with the trend. All of the rookies or all of the people who don't follow instructions hit that sell and lost. These are the people that are mad about foreign exchange, cryptocurrency, trading. Oh, I always lost money trading. It's because you hitting the sell button when you're not supposed to. A disciplined trader like me and like you, or what are we gonna do? We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait until we get that buy signal. So we're just gonna wait, and we see price moving up, and boom, we get the buy signal. So let's just say this is real life and we're waiting. So at this point, we're in an uptrend, we get the buy signal, we're gonna go bam, go ahead and hit buy. As we hit buy, market pulled back a little bit, but at this moment, we're in profits already. We're already in profits. We're instantly in profits, guys. It pulled back again, but guess what? We're still in profits. And look at that. Even though the market does pull back, a lot of times it sells to buy. It pulls back to launch, just like a rubber band. If you don't know about the market will always pull back, but the pullback is a momentum swing. So it pulls back like a rubber band to release it, to jump back up, and that's just how the market moves. But as you can see, it's still buying, it's shot up, and we are in huge profits with little to no drawdown. At any point, you could have already taken profits. So this is real time, by the way, and it's still going up. So from the last buy signal that we got, it's been going up the whole time. So let's see how long this has been going up for. So if you would have took this buy, you would have been in profits for 15 hours. I want you to really think about that. Even if you never traded before in your life and you just blindly took the buy on an uptrend, you would have been making money for 15 hours. I want to tell you guys these products are amazing and they did a lot for my trading, and I'm glad, I'm happy to pay for these. So like I said, I just want to give you a sneak peek inside of the academy and inside of the tools that we use. Make sure you hit that like button. If you got some value from this, make sure you hit the like button and support me. I'm growing my YouTube. I'm getting out of my comfort zone and speaking with you guys. And I hit 500 subscribers. That's an amazing feat for me, and I'm very happy for that. I'm glad that I can bring you guys value. I'm glad I can bring my team value, and I'm really living my purpose with this whole trading thing, because I really get to help people, because a lot of people don't know about this stuff, and I'm glad I have YouTube to expose the world to it. So on that note, I appreciate you guys. Make sure to email me. Make sure to contact me on Instagram at Mercer Millions or any other social media outlet. I'm definitely looking to build my team, and I'm definitely looking to help you guys use these tools to make money in 2021 or 2022, 2023, or whatever year it is. So on that note, I appreciate you guys. Mercer Millions, and I'm out.